Hello guys, I know they've been out for after a lot of days, so I made this new food for them. It is rice, some bajra, and some dhania leaves. Yeah. So I think they love it. Wait, I'm gonna bring these guys too, and I'm surprised they're not fighting because I think I thought they would like kill each other. No, they're eating so peacefully. Oh, bro, you can go eat too, you know that? Like, bro. Yeah, eat, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Bro, what? How are they not fighting? Oh, and bro, shadows have gotten so many colors. You look so cool. Nugget is so big. Oh, they look like actual chickens when they're out. Bro, what? Why are you? Wait, let me just. Go. Okay. They are hungry. Why does Nugget never eat actual food, but always eats dirt and stuff? Bro. Please just eat what I gave you. Yeah, go. My guy, just eat, bro. This guy is eating actual dirt. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give them more food. Wait, oh no, I think they're gonna drop it. Wait, I think I need to hold it. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything to you, just eat it. Okay, you can eat that first, I guess. I don't know. What you doing? What you doing, man? Bro, stop. Oh, I think they just fought. No, they didn't. Oh, okay. Now I think Shadow's getting aggressive. No, he's not. Okay. I guess all of them are just chill guys. Sup? Okay, and how do you guys like my PvP videos? Should I upload more? Tell me in the comments. Look at this. The light is reflecting on Shadow and it's looking colorful. And that happens when roosters are grown up. Oh no! Bro, no! Why? Frick you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna end this episode right now. I have to clean this up. I'm sorry. Bye.